Hello Aries, welcome to you and your person's reading. So this is the reading, as you know, regarding you and the person you are dealing with. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And yeah, you can swap the characters according to your situation. And as they are general readings, so obviously they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. In that case, you can check your moon sign or the name sign. So let's see. Okay, so this is your side, your energies, energies of your person. Okay, and let's see what's the most likely outcome. So many cards. Okay, so as far as you are concerned, Aries, you are feeling very happy and celebrating this joy of being in this relationship. Okay, and here with the I'll be taking the clarifiers for each of you, for all the cards. And on this side, what I see here is that this person is like I don't see this person in your energy, as this person doesn't seem to be in that vibe in which you are. This person seems to be focusing on something else or someone else. Maybe this is work, maybe this person is more invested in something else. This something else can be their work also, whatever it is, but they are invested in something else. Okay, so their focus doesn't seem to be on you. And as far as the most likely outcome is concerned, is that you are feeling ignored. You are feeling ignored, rejected, and you are not feeling happy because of the reason that they are not investing in you and they are not focusing on you. Perhaps they are not giving that much of time to you. It can be that also. So it's not necessarily that they are invested in somebody else, but it can just be that they are more they are not giving you that much of time. It can be that also, or whatever the case is, but you are feeling ignored and rejected. You are not that happy. Let's see why Six of Wands here for. We have the Nine of Cups, the Devil, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, let's see on their side. We have the Hierophant, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, let's see why is this Five of Pentacles here for. The Queen of Swords, the Tower, and the Page of Pentacles. So Aries, basically you are seeing this person as wish fulfillment. You are very happy, very content, as I've already told you, and you are very, very emotional for this person, and that's why you are celebrating this happiness of yours basically. But there is something within you also with the Devil card. This is something which needs to be corrected inside in your some pattern or some behavior which needs to be corrected, either in you or in that person. But since it's come out on your side, so I think it is it can be just that maybe some sort of a domination is there, or maybe you're dominating, overbearing, maybe you are too clingy. It can be anything, but there is some behavioral pattern which needs to be corrected on your side. Okay, though, but you are really very emotional for this person, and you see this person as your wish fulfillment. You feel that they will be able to cater to all your emotional needs and give you all the happiness you need in life. And perhaps they are even giving. I really don't know, but there is something. Maybe you feel that this person is not focusing in on you because of your own behavior. Maybe you want them to give more time, which they are not able to give you, and maybe they are pretty honest in that also, because devil is coming on your side. So maybe that is something you are expecting too much. This can be this also, that you are expecting too much from this person, or whatever they, at least they can't give, it's too much for them. Okay, even if it is not too much for you, it's too much for them perhaps. So maybe your expectations are high, you want something more from them, and that is why they are not, and that is what they are not able to give you perhaps, and that is why this problem is creeping in this relationship. Whatever it's coming, whatever is seen that you are being ignored, you feel it can be just because of the lack of time or whatever expectations you have, because there's something in your behavior or your expectation which needs to be corrected over here. And here on their side, we have the Hierophant, we have the Eight of Pentacles, and we have the Ace of Pentacles. So I don't think there is anything bad. This person is quite traditional in nature, but this person has marriage on his mind with you, his or her mind with you. It's not that this person doesn't see, this person is not fooling around with you. That's what I'm trying to say. So basically it is not like that this person is focusing on someone else. It's, they have their own agenda of marrying you or they are committed to you. It's not that they are not committed to you, but they are focused, they are struggling perhaps with something. Maybe they are building up their career, maybe they are focused on the financial reasons or the financial aspects because of some reason. Okay, but they are working hard on something, and maybe that something can be because if they have marriage or commitment on the cards, maybe that is what they are trying to create stability for you. Okay, maybe that is why they are busy with it and they are not giving you that much of time, and you are feeling bad about it, because this person definitely looks forward for a new beginning with you, which is stable and which is committed. So I don't see there is any sort of wrong intention. At least the intentions of this person are very right. Okay, so the intentions of this person are exactly pure, I should say, or correct, or they are not bad for you. But the only thing here is you need to correct something within you, so that this thing can be sorted out. Because here with the Five of Pentacles, you are feeling ignored and you are feeling bad, you are feeling hurt. And the terrifiers coming up for this are the Queen of Swords, the Tower, and the Page of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that I think either both of you or you are being very straightforward, blunt, or maybe dominating, or maybe you are trying to be maybe you've distanced yourself from this person because you feel ignored, and you now feel, okay, now I also won't talk to this person. Okay, so maybe that is what you are doing. Okay, and that is your energy, because there is something, either you are dominating, overbearing, clingy, or expecting too much, but it is all because of this reason that the honest intentions of this person also are not coming to fruition. With the Tower, your expectations are, if you will not talk to this person, you decide not to go ahead with this person, you become cold, you become detached, you become rude, then you will feel hurt. With the Towers, you will feel really hurt. Don't expect the other person will keep coming to you again and again if you are doing that again and again, because with the Devil, maybe this is your pattern. Okay, maybe you will this time feel bad that maybe this person doesn't come and patch up with you. But here with the Page of Pentacles, I see that there is a new beginning perhaps. So maybe if you are able to correct this scenario, whatever this scenario is, that but it is just a page, so a small new beginning is still expected if this scenario is corrected, what I have already told you. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Aries. Guidance from the universe for Aries. Ask for help. Number 14 or number 5 may be of some significance for you. Ask for help. What do you really need? Be willing to accept the support. So maybe you need some sort of help from someone. If you find yourself in such a situation that you are not able to solve it and you have already messed it up, then perhaps you need to take some sort of a guidance from a counselor, from your parents, from your trusted friend, whosoever this is. And here with the Hierophant, this here also, it can, this is also talking, this person also can be a spiritual counselor, this person can be a spiritual guide, this person can be a priest. So even if there is a marriage on this person's mind, as I have already told you, but what I feel here is there is some sort of help which you need to ask for. Maybe that this person will only guide you. This is also one possibility. Maybe you need to open up, maybe you need to talk about it properly, rather than having that cold war type of a thing, or having that cold and a detached behavior, if that is what you are doing. So Aries, I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.